what up, YouTube? It's Lord here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix a screen when it's sideways on your computer. But mine is actually the right way, but I'll show you how. See this? This is what it looks like when it's right, but I'll show you when it's wrong. This is what it looks like when it's wrong, but I'll show you. Well, it might be different ways, but I'll show you how to fix it. Okay, this is the keyboard. Press to hold Crtl, Alt, and self-delete. Press a key, like the arrow key. I'm trying to show you. Let me just get it into the light. Like these keys, press one of them, and then let me show you a demonstration. Sorry if I do not show this. That's what it will do. But if it just do it another way, just like just do it like press it once and wait to see what it will do, and then just wait and do it again and do it all over and over until it gets fixed. But yeah, that's how you do it. Bye, YouTube. Bye.